Imagine a world where your words can open doors to endless opportunities. Academic writing is your key to unlocking this potential, crucial for both your academic and professional journey. In Academic Literacy 302, you'll gain essential skills like critical thinking and effective communication. These skills are not just academic, they are life skills that will serve you in any career. Building on the foundation from English 110, this course will refine your writing prowess, preparing you for more advanced challenges in your academic path. An introduction is more than just the beginning, it's your first impression. It sets the stage for your entire essay, capturing your reader's attention from the start. Use techniques like a compelling hook or a thought-provoking question to draw readers in. Outline your main points clearly to guide them through your argument. Your thesis is the heart of your essay, and your body paragraphs are its lifeblood. Support your thesis with solid evidence and examples to strengthen your argument. Organize your paragraphs logically, ensuring each one flows seamlessly into the next. Use transitions to maintain coherence and guide your readers smoothly through your essay. A conclusion is your final chance to leave a lasting impression. Summarize your main points succinctly, reinforcing your thesis statement. End with a memorable conclusion that resonates with your reader, leaving them with something to ponder long after they've finished reading. Academic writing demands a formal tone. Avoid colloquial language and emotional expressions to maintain objectivity and neutrality. Embrace the characteristics of academic writing: clarity, precision, and formality. These elements ensure your arguments are taken seriously. Choosing the right words is crucial in academic writing. Expand your vocabulary to express complex ideas clearly and effectively. Ensure your sentences are grammatically correct. Clear sentence structure enhances readability and strengthens your argument. Research is the foundation of any academic essay. It provides the evidence needed to support your claims and arguments. Evaluate your sources critically, ensuring they are credible and reliable. Proper citation is essential to avoid plagiarism. A structured writing process is key to success. From pre-writing to editing, each step is crucial in crafting a polished essay. Set clear goals and manage your time effectively. Integrate research seamlessly into your writing to enhance your arguments. Recap: we've explored the essentials of academic writing, from crafting introductions to developing a writing process. Each step builds on the last, creating a cohesive and compelling essay. Call to action: start applying these techniques today. Begin with your next essay and watch as your writing transforms, paving the way for academic and professional success. Let me explain how your final grade will be calculated in this course. 10% of your grade comes from your opinion essay and workbook preparation. You'll also take an in-class writing test based on the opinion essay, worth 15%. Then we'll move on to a problem solution essay, and again, 10% of your grade comes from the essay and workbook activities. Another 15% comes from the in-class test connected to that essay. Throughout the semester, we'll have several review quizzes, which altogether are worth 30%. In the final week, there's a semester review test, worth 10%. And finally, 10% of your grade will come from classwork. This includes your participation, effort during group activities, and how actively you engage in lessons. So, it's important to stay on top of both writing assignments and class activities. Everything adds up! Here's a week-by-week script for your academic writing course, based on the provided schedule. Each script outlines the teaching focus, key discussion points, and activities for that week in a clear and structured format suitable for class delivery. Week 1, Introduction to Essay Writing. Welcome to academic writing. Today, we'll begin by looking at why essay writing is important, not just in university, but also in the professional world. We'll break down the structure of a standard essay, the introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. We'll also learn what makes a thesis statement strong and why having a clear focused thesis is essential. Finally, I'll introduce the opinion essay topic that we'll be working on for the next few weeks. Week 2, Writing the Introduction. Today, we're going to focus on how to write a strong introduction. We'll talk about why introductions are important and how to hook the reader using a question, a quote, or an interesting fact. Then, we'll look at how to provide background information and end the paragraph by briefly outlining the essay's main points. We'll also continue developing ideas for your opinion essays. Week 3, Writing Body Paragraphs plus Review, Quiz 1, 10 mins. Let's start with a short quiz to review what we've learned so far. Then we'll shift focus to the body paragraphs of an essay. We'll talk about how each paragraph should support your thesis with clear evidence and examples. We'll also practice using topic sentences, supporting details, and transitions to connect ideas smoothly. Opinion essay writing continues today. Week 4, Writing the Conclusion. Today is all about conclusions. We'll discuss how a conclusion should summarize your main points and restate your thesis in a powerful way. You'll learn how to leave your reader with a lasting impression. We'll practice writing sample conclusions and continue polishing your opinion essays. Week 5, Academic Writing Language plus Review, Quiz 2, 10 mins. We begin today with a quick review quiz. Then, we'll look at how academic writing is different from other kinds of writing. We'll discuss why formal, objective, and neutral language is important, and practice identifying and correcting informal or emotional language in sample texts. Your opinion essay writing continues. Week 6, Word Choice and Grammar. Today we focus on 2 key elements, vocabulary and sentence structure. First, we'll talk about choosing the right words for academic writing, avoiding slang, buzzwords, or vague expressions, and how tools like dictionaries and thesauruses can help. Then, we'll review basic grammar points like subject-verb agreement, verb tense, and punctuation. Keep applying these skills to your opinion essay. Week 7, Timed Writing Test plus Paragraph, Structure plus Review, Quiz 3. We'll start with a quick quiz, then move on to a 60-minute timed writing test. Afterward, we'll break down paragraph structure, topic sentences, supporting sentences, and concluding sentences. We'll also learn how to link your paragraphs together with transitions. Finally, I'll introduce our next essay format, the problem-solution essay. Week 8, Quoting and Paraphrasing. In this lesson, we'll talk about how to use outside sources in your writing. You'll learn the rules of quoting and paraphrasing and how to avoid plagiarism by citing sources correctly. We'll practice rewriting sentences and identifying proper citation formats. Your problem-solution essay continues today. Week 9, the writing process plus review, quiz 4. After a short quiz, we'll explore the writing process. From brainstorming and outlining to drafting, revising, and editing, we'll break down each step. You'll learn how to manage your time, set writing goals, and stay on track. We'll continue working on your problem-solution essays using these steps. Week 10, Introduction to Research. This week, we'll explore why research is important in academic writing. We'll learn about primary, secondary, and tertiary sources, and how to judge the reliability and credibility of a source. We'll look at some examples of biased versus trustworthy sources. Apply this to your ongoing problem-solution essay. Week 11, Conducting Research plus Review, Quiz 5. Let's begin with our 5th review quiz. Then, we'll go over how to research efficiently, where to find reliable sources, how to use your library and online databases, and how to take useful notes. We'll also talk about how to avoid plagiarism by organizing your research carefully. Problem-solution essays continue. Week 12, Integrating Research into your essay. This week, we'll focus on how to blend research smoothly into your writing. We'll look at how to use quotes and paraphrases to support your ideas, and how to balance your voice with that of the sources you cite. You'll practice integrating references naturally and continue revising your problem-solution essay. Week 13, Final Review Quiz, Quiz 6. We'll take our final short quiz today. Then, use this time to finalize your problem-solution essay. I'll be available to give feedback on your drafts and answer any final questions about research, structure, or citations. Week 14, Timed Writing Test plus Semester Review. Today you'll complete a 60-minute timed writing test. After that, we'll do a 15-minute semester review quiz to wrap up the course. We'll also briefly reflect on what you've learned and how you can apply these skills in other courses and in the workplace. And this is a basic outline of AL302. We hope you enjoy this semester. And make sure you take the quiz before your classes begin.